How to customize auto delete of web and app activity of your Google account on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll down, then tap on more privacy settings. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on activity controls. Now go to the web and app activity, scroll down, and in the auto delete, tap on it. From here, you can choose don't auto delete activity if you want to keep all your data and history. You can also select auto delete activity older than and tap on the drop down box. From here, you can choose 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. So I will select 3 months and then tap on next and then tap on got it. And that's it. So you can also manage a web and app activity here manually as well. Now in this page, you can tap on delete and you can choose delete in the last hour, last day, or all time, or by a custom range. So let's say if I want to delete everything in the last hour, then I can tap on delete and that will delete all my activity in the last hour. And then tap on got it. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.